Hi, clever learners! Today we're learning about bar graphs. We'll find out how to choose the best graph, make one, and read the clues in it. You've got this! A graph is a picture of data. It helps us see information quickly. Instead of reading a long list, we can look at bars and spot what is biggest or smallest. First, read the title. Then, look at the labels. Then, check the bars. The title tells us what the graph is about. The labels tell us the groups. The bars show the amounts. Stand up and make a tall shape with your arms for a big number. Now make a short shape for a small number. Great! That's how bars can help us see more and less. Try it! We can make a graph from class data too. Start with your data. Choose your title. Add your labels. Then draw the bars carefully. If you use a computer or tablet, digital tools can help make the graph neat and quick. Now interpret the graph. That means explain what it tells you. Maybe most students chose cats. Maybe only a few chose birds. You are reading the data like a detective. You can find graphs in newspapers, magazines, and online. Grown-ups use them to show information clearly. That means graphs are useful in real life too. Awesome work today, super learners! If you liked this lesson, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun. Year 3 Maths. See you next time.